absolute value. I can solve for absolute value.
Catherine, can you solve for absolute value now? When you see an absolute value problem, can you solve it? Could you do that before the lesson today? No. Awesome. So absolute value is the distance a number is from where? Everybody. Absolute value is the distance any number is from where?
Everybody. Say it. Number line. Number line.
Absolute value, the distance a number is from
Zero.
zero. Absolute value is the distance a number is from zero. Remember, we're being recorded right now, so you need to keep your mouth closed, unless we call on you, or I ask you to denounce. Absolute value is what, you guys?
Always positive.
Absolute value is always positive. You will not ever deal with a negative absolute value. A lot of you don't like negatives, and that's across the entire 6th grade. That's why absolute value is so low, because everything is positive when you're dealing with absolute value. Okay? We're going to skip over word number 2 here, and you guys said the main thing to remember is absolute value is always, always, always positive. The second big thing to remember is it is how far a number is from 0, period. Got it? We slid down to main idea number 2, and we did absolute value problems. Before we did them, though, we talked about what an absolute value symbol looks like. Absolute value symbol would be 2 parallel vertical lines, just like a set of railroad tracks. Okay? 4A, 4B, 4C, you can see that the absolute value of all of these problems would be how far the number is from 0, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay? And then you guys wanted to keep going, so we got a little bit tricky. We went down to number 5, and we said absolute value problems aren't a whole lot different other than you do the math. And then you solve for absolute value. So when we had the absolute value of 6 minus 4, we did 6 minus 4 first. What is 6 minus 4?
2.
So we wrote 2, but we still haven't solved for the absolute value of this yet until we show our answer below it. The absolute value of 2 is 2. Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay. Which way are we working? Which way are we working?
Vertical.
Vertically. So number or letter B isn't much different. We did the problem 2 minus 4 and came up with negative 2. We still have to solve for the absolute value. It's always positive, right?
Yeah.
2. Question.